we be stalking everybody's lives on the boardwalk.
On the boardwalk, you know what I mean?
Did he turn?
What are you talking about?
Is he turning?
No.
Is someone turning?
Yeah.
Are they gonna make it right?
But, you know, I'm just going with the flow. It's all copacetic, you know?
Oh my god, no, that person.
Oh, that was, what's his face?
Yeah, I was.
Face. Oh, his name was Brownie, huh?
Yeah, Brownie. He was Brownie yesterday.
Look at see what Sal's doing. He lives this way.
Sal. I don't think that's a house, is it? I don't know.
No, it's down one.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's that one.
And maybe we're just
Dumb.
dumb,
Dumb.
dumb,
Dumb.
dumb.
It's Saturday, Saturday.
Gonna get done Saturday. Where did it go?
Oh, okay. Who is this? Oh, the other way, Like, those are fruits. I
Tangerine.
don't know where the street's at. Is that it? Or am I tripping? 'Cause it's Friday.
Someone's gonna come right now. Oh, that's Bobby Chulo.
Oh, Bobby Chulo. Oh my god, who's that?
That was, you know.
Oh my god. Oh, that's fucking slut.
Yeah.
Dude.
Another car.
Oh god, soda can.
Soda can, no Josh.
Is someone coming this way? Oh, look at the sky. The sky. Okay, you can see the clouds. You can see the shadows. Look at the mountains. Look at what
Oh, it's like a boob.
Oh. Like two. Let's see. Look
Ew, imagine that's like a big boob.
it's spinning. It's an alien. It's a UFO.